The Ninja QB900B Master Prep Food Processor Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a combination of blending, chopping, and food processing functions. With its compact design and powerful motor, it provides an efficient and convenient way to prepare a variety of ingredients and dishes. One of the standout features of the Ninja QB900B is its interchangeable and stackable processing bowls. The set includes a 48-ounce pitcher for blending, a 16-ounce chopper bowl for chopping and mincing, and a 40-ounce processing bowl for food processing tasks. This allows you to handle different quantities of ingredients depending on your needs, whether you're making a small batch of salsa or preparing a large soup recipe. The blender's motor is equipped with a 400-watt power pod, which ensures smooth and consistent blending and processing. It can handle various tasks, such as crushing ice, blending fruits and vegetables into smoothies, and pureeing ingredients for soups and sauces. The Ninja QB900B's sharp blades and multiple pulsing options provide precise control over the texture and consistency of your ingredients. Cleaning the Ninja QB900B is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. The removable blades, processing bowls, and lids can be easily disassembled and cleaned in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The compact design also makes it convenient to store, especially for those with limited countertop space. In terms of safety, the Ninja QB900B features a one-touch pulse operation, ensuring that the blades only spin when the lid is securely in place. This prevents any accidental operation and provides peace of mind during use. The Ninja QB900B Master Prep Food Processor Blender is not only efficient but also versatile. It can be used for a wide range of culinary tasks, including blending, chopping, mincing, pureeing, and more. Whether you're preparing meals for yourself or entertaining guests, this appliance can help you save time and achieve professional quality results in the kitchen. Overall, the Ninja QB900B Master Prep Food Processor Blender is a reliable and versatile kitchen companion that offers a range of functionalities in a compact package. Its powerful motor, interchangeable processing bowls, and easy cleaning make it a valuable